All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be modifying the FRP mini bike that we have, and we got a little straight pipe exhaust, and we're going to zip tie close the governor spring so we can allow this thing to run at its max potential. I'll have a link down in the description to the Amazon exhaust. It's literally, I think it's like a little $20 mod. So I'll have a link to that, and also if you're interested in picking up one of these FRP mini bikes, link will be down in the description as well. Let's go. All right, so before we add all the crazy horsepower, we're gonna take the stock bike with me, 6'1" guy, 205 pound rider, hit the draggy up to the bike, and we'll see what our top speed is before the exhaust and the zip tie governor spring. Let's get it. All right, here we go. Let's fire the bike up, and then let's see for science purposes how fast my big butt can get this bike to go. Probably gonna be very underwhelming. I'm gonna guess about 18 to 20 miles an hour. Oh boy, we're moving now. There's 20, there's 21. Yeah, we can't push this thing no more. That was max throttle. I'd like to see maybe 25, maybe 30 after the exhaust and we opened up the governor spring. Looks like 21 mile an hour. Oh, we got 22. All right, let's get in the garage and get these modifications done. I need to let this bike cool off. All right, so in the last clip, we got about 21, like 22 miles an hour. So I'm hoping to maybe go 25, maybe 30 if we're lucky. Let's go ahead and tear off the factory muffler, and then I'll show you guys where you need to put the zip tie for the governor spring to lock it out from, because when it opens, it stops the throttle from going wide open. All right, first things first, you have two 14 millimeters here that you have to get off. So I'm gonna get these loose. I'm not gonna take it all the way off. And then you need to come over here to the other side of the bike, and let's remove the spark plug wire. Then you have another socket right here you need to remove. And that is going to be, I think it's an 8. Yep, 8 millimeter. So go ahead and remove that. Once you remove that all the way, the muffler should come right off. All right, let's go ahead and spin these bad boys off. And you're gonna reuse this same factory hardware for the Amazon special exhaust. This is extremely hot. Oi! Grab this trusted rag here. Boom! Factory exhaust is off. All right, let's get the Amazon El Specialty on. All right, this next part may be a little difficult to see, but there is a secondary spring. Let me try getting on the other side and turning the steering wheel a little bit. There is a secondary spring right here where my finger's pointed. You need to get you a zip tie, put it through there, and close it all the way through. And if you haven't already, on your mini bike, there's a little turtle, there's a little rabbit here. Go ahead and loosen this screw on the bottom. Loosen that all the way you can before the bolt comes out. All right, so as you can see, we have it zip tied. The only thing we need to do now is just cut this puppy. Boom. She's ready to rock and roll. So let's get the draggy fired up, turn it on, and see how much faster we got. We had to get we could probably at least hit 40, 50. Looking at about 12 to 15 horsepower. I'm just kidding, guys. Let's go ahead and fire the mini bike up and see what it sounds like for the first time with a straight pipe. All right, let's fire this puppy up. All right, put your prediction down below. right, let's see what we can make happen here. Go ahead and connect this. Here we go. Skip that. Feels a little peppier. The butt dyno is still, and she is a little bit more peppier. $23, $24, $25, $26, $26. Getting like 3 or 4 miles an hour. For 20 bucks and a zip tie, I'll take it. All right, here we go. Put that down and we'll see at the end of the run how fast we go. Full tilt, baby. All right, let's see the results. Let's see what the draggy said. Look at that, max speed of 29 miles an hour. I guarantee it, if I was under 200, I bet we can get an under 200 pound rider at 30 miles an hour. Let's head back to the house and debrief. All right, for a $20 Amazon exhaust and maybe a 2 or 3 penny zip tie, we almost got 5 mile an hour faster. I'm telling you, maybe if somebody, I'm gonna get my buddy to try it out, but definitely gained about 5 miles an hour. So if you're under 200 pounds, let's say a 180, 185 rider, you're definitely hitting 30, maybe even 35. We'll never know until we do the official testing. All that was done on a closed course, of course. And like I mentioned, if you guys are interested in getting this Amazon exhaust for 20 bucks, link down in the description. If you're interested in getting this mini bike, there will also be a link down in the description. And don't forget, you got to do the zip tie governor spring mod. That was super easy. All right, I'm gonna go get in some AC. That's all the time we have for today's video. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. We have a wicked, should be a 70 mile an hour e-bike build coming up as well. So yeah, make sure you hit that notification button, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.